Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are talking about depth effect. If depth effect not working in your iPhone and iPad after updating to the latest version like iOS 16, then I'll show you how can you enable it. So firstly, let me show you here in software update. So you can see from here, wait for a while, and as you can see guys, iOS 16 is up to date. So here you can see I have updated my device to the latest version. Just simply open settings again, and from here what you need to do is just simply scroll it down, tap on wallpaper. Now tap on add new wallpaper. Now tap on photo, select your photo. Now tap on three dots here. Now as you can see guys, it's showing here depth effect. When you tap on this, then you have to zoom your picture from here, and it will bring forward to your time, and your time will go to the backward. And as you can see guys, it's not working here because I have iPhone 8. So let me tell you that in iPhone 8 it's not working. Okay guys, it's this feature is not available in iPhone 8. In future it will come to iPhone 8, but it's not showing this time here, as you can see guys. Again, let me show you here. When you select your photo, tap on this, it's showing here depth effect. Tap on this. Now as you can see guys, it's not working here in iPhone 8. It's not working. So if you have iPhone 11, 12 or 13, then you will be able to use depth effect feature in your iPhone and iPad and iOS 16. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.